Welcome to Beautyistic, where we don't just test products, we explore how they make you feel from the inside out. Today, we're checking out something a little different from OLLY, their Revive Body Wash with Magnesium, Electrolytes, and Vitamin B12. It's designed not only to cleanse, but also to support your skin barrier and uplift your mood with a refreshing Nerolidew scent. At first glance, OLLY's Revive Body Wash stands out with its vitamin-infused formula. It's packed with magnesium and electrolytes along with B12, all aimed at nourishing the skin and aiding barrier repair. The wash promises a skin-loving lather that's gentle enough to avoid the tight, stripped feeling common with some cleansers. It's also sulfate and paraben-free, cruelty-free, and aromatherapy powered, a combination that merges skincare science with a mood-boosting experience. Using this in my routine was surprisingly pleasant. The texture is a lightweight gel that foams easily, offering a creamy lather without feeling heavy or sticky. The Nerolidew scent is bright and refreshing, enough to wake you up in the morning, but subtle enough not to linger overpoweringly. I found my skin felt hydrated immediately after rinsing, soft but not oily, and noticeably smooth by the end of the week. The formulation does feel like it's working to support the skin barrier, particularly if your skin is prone to dryness or environmental stress. One of the standout features is its multidimensional approach: hydration, barrier support, and a scent designed to lift your mood. It's a small but clever integration of skincare and aromatherapy science. I also appreciated the easy-to-use pump design and the 17-ounce bottle, which lasts a good while even with daily use. On the flip side, while the scent is uplifting, those sensitive to fragrances might want to test it first, as aromatherapy-inspired blends can be intense for some. It's also on the pricier side compared to basic body washes, but considering the vitamin infusion and thoughtful formulation, the cost can be justified for those looking for a little extra care in their daily routine. If you're comparing it to other vitamin-infused or wellness washes on the market, OLLY's blend feels more premium in terms of both texture and scent design. Many alternatives deliver hydration but lack the electrolytes or mood-focused fragrance component, so this one has a unique position. The packaging is solid, sturdy, and travel-friendly despite the size, and I have no concerns about durability. Being Dermatologist-Approved and free from harsh ingredients adds another layer of confidence for regular use. I haven't interacted directly with OLLY's customer service, but the brand generally maintains a strong reputation for responsive support and product quality. For those looking for a more budget-conscious option, there are simpler vitamin B12 or magnesium body washes that provide hydration, though they may lack the nuanced fragrance and electrolytes found here. If your priority is both skin nourishment and a small self-care mood boost, this is a product that delivers on both fronts. Overall, OLLY Revive Body Wash impresses with its thoughtful formulation, enjoyable lather, and mood-enhancing Nerolidew scent. It's best suited for those who appreciate a little luxury in their daily cleansing ritual and are looking for gentle, skin-repairing hydration. It may not be essential for everyone, but for anyone wanting skin wellness paired with a sensory uplift, it's a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried OLLY Revive Body Wash, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it works for you. You can find the link to purchase in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.